Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is a loose wheel nut indicator. This is a loose wheel nut indicator and it's installed on the wheel nuts of your car or any vehicle. The purpose of using these wheel nut indicators is that to prevent an accident. Whenever the metal nut gets loosened, then that can cause accidents over time. For example, you are driving and you do not know that your wheel nuts are loose, and that can really cause an accident. And to prevent that, this idea was formed, and in a hypothetical situation, I'll use this example of a wheel nut indicator to explain problem solving in product design. So this is the topic of this video. So the company asked their product designer to design a product that can prevent an accident. So the product designer came up with this idea, the loose wheel nut indicator. It has an arrow and this will be placed strategically on all the 5 nuts of your wheels. As soon as a wheel moves and as soon as a wheel nut starts loosening up, this starts turning as well. And it will turn sideways, and this will indicate that the nut is loose and that you need to tighten it up or replace it. So this is how problems are solved. They told the designer to design a product and the designer came up with this idea. This is a silicone rubber material. It's not that stiff. It's elastic in nature. It's not very stiff. This way it can easily grab the loose wheel nuts. It has internal teeth that can help grab the nuts and create a solid bond, and this is how problems are solved in the real world. The hypothetical example is in front of you. Large companies need ideas that they need someone to solve for them, and if you are a good problem solver, then you can easily solve that problem by inventing ideas like these. So that's about it. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.